Here we have some pre-steamed cauliflower. And what I'd like to do now is just put some olive oil, put a little salt, we're going to grate a little Parmesan cheese in there too. And then we're just going to sprinkle some plain breadcrumbs over it. And we're going to toss this before we put it in the oven. I'm tossing the cauliflower just so it gets coated with the oil, the Parmesan, the breadcrumbs. And this is just a very light coating, nothing too heavy. It's not going to be deep fried. So it's going to go into the oven and hopefully it'll roast and turn, get a little burn on it, but we'll see. Now we're putting it in the pan and we're going to cook it, bake it actually in the same oven as the mushrooms at a 350 oven. And until it's done, and when we see that it's kind of browned and crispy looking and nice and soft, then we'll know it's
work in process. Joanne is making up her beautiful antipasto plate with stuffed mushrooms, some provolone cheese, and some baked breaded cauliflower.